Okay, so we're in the car, recording with the phone, and we've got the GPS tracking enabled through the beacon, and I've told the drone to fly around behind me as I move, so it will just follow me down the road. Hey, hey, hey. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. It's got the symbol on the screen with a GPS track on it. So if we increase the range, send it back away from us. Now we can float along behind the car. I think I like closer. Bring in this shorter range, minus on the range button. You can just hear it out the window now. Send it around the side so we get some of that lovely sunset. Wow, you could film car advertisements with this. It's kind of tracking the center of the car, which is interesting, the visual center of the car. It's not really doing a GPS track. Move it around to the back again, computer game style. What do you reckon, boys? You like the Skydio? Alright, before I get too close to the houses, let's bring it in for a landing with manual. Alright, let's have it track to the box, eh?